Hello everyone, I am Sneha Lecturer, Department of Physician Assistant, SNS College of Agricultural Science. Today we are going to see about case study on liver cancer. Liver cancer is a life-threatening condition. It is a fatal condition if it is untreated. Liver cancer can occur anywhere in the liver. Basic anatomy of liver is it contains two major lobes, right lobe and left lobe. The tumor or cancer will occurs anywhere in the liver. Common causes of liver cancer is heavy alcoholism, tobacco use, obesity, type 2 diabetes mellitus. There are many types in the liver cancer. The most common type is hepatocellular carcinoma. Hepatocytes is the cell which is present in the liver. It will proliferate abnormally, then it will form a tumor, then it will convert it into malignancy. If it is untreated, it will spread the surrounding structures. There are 5 stages in liver cancer. In stage 1, 0, the carcinoma present in situ. It is present only in the particular region. In stage 2 and 3, it will spread the entire liver. In stage 4 and 5, it will spread through the surrounding structures, and also in last stage, it will affect the distant organs also. We will see one by one. First one is patient information will be explained by Divya.
Patient name Mr. Ravi, age 58 years, male.
Today we are going to see about a 58 years old male case study on liver cancer. Normally liver present in right upper quadrant of abdomen. Chief complaints, the patient is having pain in the right upper abdomen because the liver is situated there for the past 3 months. Next complaint is loss of appetite, weight loss, fatigue and weakness. These are the common symptoms of liver cancer because liver produces bile and which contains enzymes to break down the food and also helps for the digestion, break down the fat, proteins and others. So if it is affected by the cancer, it will give symptoms like loss of appetite, weight loss because of improper nutrition support from the body, and yellowish discoloration of eyes for 2 weeks. These are the symptoms or chief complaints of Ravi patient. Next is history of present illness will be explained by Vaijay.
History of present patient illness 2 weeks before admission, jaundice and abdominal swelling development.
2 weeks before admission, patient is having jaundice and also abdominal swelling. Due to liver cancer, it will not function properly, so it will lead to jaundice. This jaundice condition will create yellowish discoloration throughout the body, especially the patient is having yellowish discoloration in his eyes. Next is past medical history will be explained by Anushka.
History of chronic alcohol consumption for 20 years, known case of hepatitis B infection.
The common causes of liver cancer is chronic alcoholism and also hepatitis B or C infection and cirrhosis. Patient is having 2 major risk factors. So patient is a chronic alcoholic for the past 20 years. This is the major cause for this liver cancer. Next is hepatitis B infection. If it is untreated, it will develop into liver cancer. Next is a physical examination will be explained by Monica.
Patient appears weak and pale, interest present, mild abdominal distension, enlarged liver palpable, tenderness over right head.
On physical examination, patient appears weak and pale. Due to liver cancer, patient can't get proper nutrition and digestion. So patient looks weak. It is present due to jaundice, the yellowish discoloration of eyes, skin also present. Next is mild abdominal distension, enlarged liver pal. On palpation, liver is enlarged and it felt. Mild abdominal distension also present due to enlargement of the liver because of cancer. Next is tenderness over the right hypochondrium. Right hypochondrium is the major region which is liver present. On palpation, patient is feeling tenderness due to cancer. Next is investigations will be explained by Sanjana.
Liver function test, elevated bilirubin liver enzyme, ultrasound abdomen, mass lesion in liver, CT scan, tumor in the right lobe of liver, liver biopsy confirmed hepatocellular carcinoma.
So in anatomically, liver has 2 lobes, right lobe and left lobe. In ultrasound abdomen, there is a mass lesion present in right lobe of liver, as well as the CT scan, tumor present in the right lobe of liver. In liver biopsy, it is confirming the hepatocellular carcinoma liver cancer. LFT in liver function test, elevated bilirubin levels are present due to dysfunction of liver. These abnormal levels are present in the investigation. By confirming by these are all the by doing these all the by doing all this tests, we are confirming the patient diagnosis as hepatocellular carcinoma in the right lobe of the liver. Next is medical management will be explained by Vidya.
Chemotherapy, targeted therapy, pain management, nutritional support, and surgical resection.
Initially, we will do medical management for this patient. In medical management, we are providing chemotherapy, chemical therapy to destroy the cancer cells. Targeted therapy, this in targeted therapy, it will affect only the cancer cells, not the normal liver cells. Next is for the pain management, we will provide analgesics to reduce the pain, discomfort and tenderness. Next is nutritional support. Patient is weak and also don't have enough nutrition. So if it is not taken by the food, we will provide IV nutritional support to daily requirement of nutrition. Next is surgical resection. We are giving chemotherapy. In chemotherapy, it will destroy the cancer cells. Next is targeted therapy. In targeted therapy, this will destroy only the cancer cells, not the normal liver cell. Next is pain management to reduce the tenderness and also pain in the right upper quadrant. We have to give analgesics to reduce the pain. Next is nutritional support. We have to provide daily requirement of nutrition to improve the weakness of the patient. Next is surgical resection. After doing all this medical management, if patient is not improved, we will do surgical resection of the right lobe. Thank you.